it's Carol. I'm so glad you came by the studio today. I want to share with you how I save my stuff for my collage projects all together. When I tote stuff from here back home and I take it from home to here, it can become a really jumbled up mess. So I like to keep it organized, and the way I do it is to use these plastic envelopes from the craft store. And they're reusable, of course. I just write the project on a piece of tape and then I pull it off and put on a new one for the next project. But in this envelope, I will put absolutely everything that's related to this project. I don't do any editing at first. If I decide on a color scheme or maybe a theme, then everything that's related to that one of those topics goes in this bag, and then I'll do the editing later. My color palette will be the black, rust, and ivory. So everything that I even might want to use on this project, I put in this pile. I have rusty washers, which I think will be a nice embellishment, threads, different colors of embroidery thread, different kinds of papers, different fabrics. I've got cheesecloth, some drywall tape. Anything that fits this color scheme is going in here right now. I won't use it all, but it is all together. When I get ready to make my project, I'm going to pick from this stash. Then I take all of this and put it in my envelope. And there's my supplies for this project. And this works really well for me. So this is my tip for staying organized as a maker. If you have a tip to help me or anybody else stay organized, please leave a comment. I would love to hear about it. If you like this video, please press the like button or subscribe for more tips. And by the way, down below in the description, I have a link for a PDF for my 8 favorite tea bag art projects. You might find it interesting. So thanks again for stopping by. Take care.